Hi, welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio. In this video, I am going to finish up um, installing my drives in the other machine. Haven't had a chance, had some other things going on. Plus, I've come to the realization that I need to replace the server rack. It would be nice if I could get a 40, anywhere from a 38 to a 40U rack. Can't fit a 42 in my basement because when I redid the floor is a little, I want to say it's a little, well, it definitely is a little higher now. The reason being is because the way they did the floor before, it just wasn't right. And to try to bring it back to that, I had to do things a little different. Like all the joists, they don't sit on the floor. They're attached to a frame that is not sitting directly on the concrete. Like over here on this side, where my one painting area is, those boards are literally bolted right to the cinder blocks that make up the basement walls. And this one over here, it's kind of attached to the framing, the way they have it set up. And that's what I did all the way around on the floor. So like behind me, where my 3D printer and that sits, there's one that's attached to the wall right there. And then I actually doubled that. Then I screwed onto it another piece of wood on it to kind of give it like a double piece. And that's all the way around this way. I want to say maybe this way too. I don't remember. It's been a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this around and everything, get it set up, and you'll see me do it. I'm also going to do it where, it's running or, filming me. I'm going to take it out and you'll see me do all the things really fast because I'm going to speed that part up. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so at least you saw 21 minutes of me putting, I don't know how many drives in, because my phone decided, hey, screw you, we're going to shut off. And that's exactly what happened. So unfortunately, it didn't record everything. Plus, I'm transferring files that for some reason I either deleted or missed or whatever. So that's going to finish here in 8 minutes and 30 seconds anyway. So I don't know if I moved them or whatever on that there. So I'll finish that up, and then what'll happen is I need to then set up so that this will push from the bottom unit to the top unit so that everything's backed up. And then I'm going to set up, probably this weekend, I'm going to, well, it'll be the previous weekend, or the previous couple of weekends, because this will be 2 weeks later after the one where I showed off Castle Panic. I'm going to set up CrashPlan so that I back up everything off site. So this way, if my house becomes a smoking crater, I can get all the data back, and I'll only miss anything that wasn't backed up. So in the future, there's going to be future videos. I'll probably maybe show, it depends on how well I do, because, you know, I'm not as proficient as some of the other people out there. I mean, I make total mistakes and everything. I know I'm going to be doing a video on Proxmox 8. Not sure if that's going to, if I'm going to do it before this one or after this one. So if you see Proxmox 8 before you see this one, then you'll know I switched the order. If you see this one and then the Proxmox 8 video, then you know I left it in this order. But I definitely want to do that because Proxmox 8 looks to be something really good. I mean, and the good thing is I'm going to put it on the 710, because basically it's now my test demo server. Like I said, I'll probably also do a video on me changing out my rack and everything, because it's probably going to happen, I want to say anywhere between October, but probably August or September, depending upon how fast I can get the funds together. You know, it's like anything else. But if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, share it with anybody that you think might, you know, want to watch it, maybe want to, you know, maybe have an interest in any of this. And I'll have my link to my Subscribestar down in the description. And as I always like to say, have a good day, guys. Take care, and I will catch you later.